Well, I'm down to 3 personal lawnmowers now. I sold the triplet snapper just last week, the older one, and I've got my 2 21-inch 7 horsepower overhead valve easy speed mowers, and in the middle is a 22-inch Toro that has a 6.75 horsepower engine. I like all these mowers. These mowers are great. Going to keep these for a while. So let's give all these a start. I did want to say that the old snapper, I'd swapped out the wheel, the rear wheels for each one of mine, because both of these were worn or cracked. Seems the left must be the traction. So it lives on with these 2 mowers here. Also, they're all mulching mowers. They got gator blades on them. I've got a plug in each one of these chutes, and it just keeps the bag in place. And of course the Toro's got the lever you switch off and on for mulching. So let's give all 3 of these a start. I like these are great mowers. This is what the gator blade looks like on the snapper. This is an aftermarket blade I bought. It's a 21-inch. It's got a regular cutting edge on it, keep that sharp, and this just shreds grass. So it does a great job mulching. Let me show you the blade on the Toro. And the Toro has a similar gator type blade, which is also a mulching blade as well. This comes with the Personal Pace, 22-inch. And it does a great job as well. We're going to start with the Toro in the middle. Start that one first. And then we're going to start with this snapper to the left of it. And the Evil Twin, I call it, to the right of it. This one I had adjusted the valves on. And also had replaced the drive belt. Been using that for the last few weeks, and it's been cutting really good, but it has been using some oil. So it's got, it's bought in the year 2000, so it's got some wear. I hadn't even tried the electric start, but it does have electric start on it. So let's give the Toro a start first here. So no need to prime this one, it's got the ready start. Should pull, start first time. Or second time. Sounds good. This snapper. It always starts first and second time. There we go, first time. And this one's always been difficult. Let's see what it does. Here we go. Second time. Come on, all 3 running. That's my 3 mowers.